Hello! Welcome to my beginner-friendly video. You will learn pivot points, keyframes, and more. It took me a while to know how to animate tween on Alight Motion. Click on Projects or just click the green plus button. I usually have my ratio on 2000x2500, but you can choose what you like best or just choose the options. Just click the X when you see this screen, but if you have it, it won't show. Click the button with the plus on it. You will see this. There's shape, media, audio, object, element, and template. Some people use shape and click vector and make their parts. An example is Sadie. I begin by sketching my character. Then I break down the different parts and limbs. Here's a quick look at my sketch of Yada. Shapes are simply elements that you can add to your project. Media refers to any content that you use in your project. You can also add photos to your project. The audio comes from your files. Most of my sounds are sourced from various media. Templates, I'm not sure what they are, not gonna lie. But an example is the template of the rat dance. I'll use this circle as an example to teach you how to tween asterisk. I literally am so bad at explaining asterisk. Click on color and fill to choose from various colors for your object. Like what I was doing here. An example of me using Move and Transform, D. Keyframes in Alight Motion are timeline markers that help manage changes over time. You use them to animate things like position, size, rotation, and more. For example, if you set one keyframe at the start with an object on the left and another keyframe later with it on the right, Alight Motion will move it smoothly from left to right. An example of me doing keyframes 3. Okay, now pivot points. Example, if you rotate an object with the pivot in the center, it spins like a wheel. You can change the pivot point by tapping the object, going to Move and Transform, then selecting the pivot point to a crosshair icon and dragging it where you want. If you're doing a body, then just put the points on the joints where we move our body.